Are you looking for the best grater? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best grater on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The best box grater. The Quizipro 4-sided box grater is an exceptional tool with sharp-edged teeth that swiftly shred a wide range of foods. It's efficient and versatile, and the only model we tested that has 4 sides, coarse and medium holes, fine holes for zesting, and a slicer that all work well. It grates quickly and easily. The teeth on the Quizipro grater are extremely sharp. Grating requires little effort, and food glides down the sides with minimal resistance. Some of the other graters we tested. Every side cuts well. The coarse holes shredded our carrots and potatoes easily, leaving thin, long strands that were consistent in size and shape. Grating Pecorino Romano on the medium teeth was a breeze, leaving us with cheesy snow. The zester produced finely shaved lemon rind, though it wasn't as fine and fluffy as the results from the Microplane Premium Classic Series zester. The slicer on the Quizipro grater is sharp enough to replace a mandolin in a pinch, producing thin potato slices suitable for a gratin or thick-cut potato chips. In comparison, the slicers on stamped boxed graters we tested weren't sharp enough to cleanly cut potatoes, and they created lopsided, uneven discs. Number 2. Best for fine grating. The Microplane Premium Classic Series zester is one of the sharpest zesters we tested. It's slender, easy to maneuver around curvy citrus fruit, and produces fine, fluffy zest that will melt away in whatever you're preparing. It reaches all the spots. The rounded off edges make it easy to navigate nooks and crannies, and the narrow grating surface is great for precision, so you can even zest the tip of a lemon. It's good at fine cutting. The Microplane zester's sharp-edged teeth removed lemon rind while barely cutting into any bitter pith. And if you're averse to mincing, it can grate aromatics such as garlic or ginger into a near pulp that will melt away in sauces. While this tool is dishwasher safe, it'll stay sharp longer if you wash it by hand. A quick rinse immediately after use will save you from having to scrub off dried-on food. Number 3. Best for speedy grating. If you don't want your fingers close to a grater, or you want to crank through a lot of food quickly, the Speedy's rotary cheese grater keeps hands safely out of the way while making quick work of shredding cheese, root vegetables, and less typical suspects, like cookies for pie crusts. It's an efficient shredder. A rotary grater operates similarly to a food processor. You feed ingredients through a chute into spinning blades. But in this case, you're turning them manually with a hand crank. With this mechanism, the Speedy's grater can really blitz through root vegetables. The potatoes we passed through the 4mm blade, the smaller of the 2 shredding blades, came out resembling canned shoestring fries, long, thin, and even. And we thought the potato shreds from the 2mm julienne blades would make killer hash browns or latkes. While the Speedy's grater can shred uniformly, it doesn't achieve the level of delicacy of the Quizipro 4-sided box grater, which shredded potatoes to the point of translucency. But for some people, that trade-off might be okay. Number 4. Best for easy storage. When we first saw the OXO Good Grips etched 2-fold grater, we were pretty skeptical. It's essentially 2 paddle graters connected at the top by a hinge, which allows the grater to be folded flat or propped up. The design makes it look like a playing card tent, and we thought it would snap like one too. We are happy to report that we were wrong, and this sturdy little grater surpassed our expectations. It grates smoothly. The angle on the 2-fold grater is a little more obtuse than a standard box grater, which allowed us to get nice long drags down the surface. It didn't wobble. Some reviews reported that the 2-fold grater was unstable, but we didn't find this to be the case. Light downward pressure to the handle at the top was enough to keep the grater stable. But if you're worried about balance or if your hands shake, we recommend the 4-sided Quizipro grater.